Welcome back to Algebra 2, Chapter 13, Section 7 in this book. And notice, I got on my party hat. Woohoo! We made it to the last videotaping. Woohoo! Yay! Yes! Now, for Chapter 14, it's graphing stuff. It's graphing these trigs. I encourage you to grab your calculator and try some of it. You will learn more about that in physics and in pre-calculus. So, we're just going to save that for then. Alright, so the last section is called Parametric Equations and Projectile Motion. We're going to save that projectile motion for physics, and because I think it does a better job teaching it. And we're going to talk about this, the parametric equations. So this is what they look like. And look, there's not much here. So we're told to graph x equals 3t minus 12, y equals negative 2t plus 3, and t is between 0 and 5. Now, what is wrong with this? It's got too many variables, x, y's, and t's. So, all you do, it's not that hard, is you make an if-then chart with t, x, and y. Your t numbers is what you're going to start with, and they need to go from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we say if t is 0, what is x? 0 times 3 is 0, minus 12 is 12. If t is 0, what is y? 0 times negative 2 is 0, plus 3 is 3. You see how it works? Now we do 1. If t is 1, 1 times 3 is 3, minus 12 is negative 9. If t is 1, here we do 1 times negative 2 plus 3 is 1. And you just keep doing this, substituting them in until you get it all filled out. Now when you go to graph it, we pretend like the t's don't exist. And we just graph, but it's not a line, it's a line segment. And we graph it neatly on graph paper. It doesn't look as bad as mine. But we just graph our x's and y's. If x is negative 12, y is 3, put a dot. If x is negative 9, y is 1, put a dot. If x is negative 6, y is negative 1, put a dot. If x is negative 3, y is negative 3, put a dot. If x is 0, y is negative 5, put a dot. And if x is 3, y is negative 7, put a dot. Da-da! So what this is, it's a parametric equation, meaning that there are perimeters to our graph. Our line doesn't go on forever. We want this to be the perimeters of our graph. We have perimeters. It's not a line, it's a line segment. So look through the examples in your book. This is all I want you to be able to do on it. I think it's one problem on your test if you're taking the test with me, 13.7. And we are done. Congratulations, you made it to the end of Algebra 2. Woohoo! More happy dance. Okay, so at this point, what now? You are ready, if you understand this class, to go take college algebra. You can do a, dual enrollment at your local community college. You're ready to go. I encourage you not to take 3 years off of math and then go try to take it. Because math, like foreign language, the minute you quit using it, you start to lose it. And I know, I've had 5 years of Spanish. I'm terrible at it. Mike can ask where the bathroom is, and that's about it. Maybe order at Taco Bell. But, you can go on and do a high school pre-calculus next. It'll be more advanced algebra. Do you have to? No. You are ready for college algebra at this point. You could go do you could do a high school pre-calculus, and then you could do a high school calculus. If you don't want to move on and go ahead and take that college class. Either one of those two paths are fine. More high school, do pre-calculus than calculus, or go on to college, take college algebra, then take college pre-calculus, then take college calculus. You are ready for either of those paths. Alright? Math is great. Hope you had fun with this. I did. And don't forget, math is great.